Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to extract minimum and maximum values, and this column here is a perfect target for that. So let's roll. Select maximum from price. Now the name of report will be, I don't know, most expensive. Expensive. Did I type that correctly? Most expensive? Yeah. So location from stores, and there you go. Apparently our most expensive product is $120, euros, whatever, and that is green power supply unit apparently. So let's grab minimum, I mean cheapest one. So just slightly change here. Report will be cheapest one. Okay, and we have something for $5, let's say, and a lot of those things, and those things are COM cables. Right, that's cool. Now there is a thing, interesting one. You can use max and min functions in combination with where. So where you are searching for a specific product. So let's say you have a couple of these gold PSIs with different prices, and you want to extract minimum and maximum price, but only with these. Okay, so right here we have same price. So let's insert one thing here, like briefly insert into stores, and now we need to say values. I think, what was it, null, and store was from, I don't know, let me think about some town, Rome. All Rome 1, let's say Rome 1, and the gold PSI. Okay, I think that was the string. Let me see. Yeah, uppercase or not so. Gold PSI, and amount 50, and the price will be 75 or 80, let's say, and I think that's cool. Right, so command will go like this. So let's first extract everything to see what's up. Okay, gold PSI 9, that's cool. Right, so select max from prices as maximum or expensive PSI from stores where product equals gold PSI, gold PSI. I think that's cool, and there you go. So this is the most expensive ones, and there is two of them in two different stores. And let's grab cheapest one, min, as cheap PSI from where product gold PSI. But let's actually use here like from product where product like, and let's say all of the. Yes, we can also use that, and we will get pretty much same result. So either you can use directly column, or you can use some specific string, and you know this up till now from a couple of last tutorials. Right, so that's it, very short tutorial. Just remember, simplest possible scenario will be select max or min as name of report from location, and that's it. Okay, so you don't need to type where column is equal to that, and so on and so on. So this will pretty much get the job done. And let me see, in the next tutorial we will talk about some function where we will use it to add everything in one column. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna shut up and thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.